The key product of the company is its software, Devesoft. You could find it used in a wide range of applications. Podjetje Devesoft je svojo aktivnostjo prisotno na naslednjih področjih: avtomobilska industrija, automotive industry, letalska in vesoljska industrija, aerospace industry, splošna industrija, general industry, transport, transportation, energetika, power applications in gradbeništvo, civil engineering.
Vedno nam je težko v kratkem opisu predstaviti vse zmožnosti programske opreme, saj je več kot 10 let predanega dela naše ekipe pripeljalo podjetje na vodilni položaj med proizvajalci programske opreme za meritve.
We always have a problem how to show 10 years of dedicated work of our great software team. And this work took Devesoft to the leading position among the test measurement software packages.
Za jasen prikaz smo se odločili pokazati posnetke realnih meritev strank in s tem prikazati, kako je izdelek pomagal uporabnikom pri njihovem raziskovalnem delu. Nekateri uporabniki so bili pripravljeni z nami deliti svoje uspehe in so nam poslali podatke, včasih pa je bila pri meritvi prisotna tudi naša ekipa. Posnetki so zbrani iz zgodnjih obdobij pa vse do današnjih dni.
And the best way to show the power of the software is to show the files from the customer. Our partners and customers from all around the world are so kind and provided us with the data files which we can show in public.
Med najzahtevnejšimi meritvami so meritve na vozilih. Prikazana datoteka je iz leta 2003. V programskem paketu prikažemo vse signale, ki nam jih nudi odlično opremljen avtomobil, dodamo svoje senzorje, kamere, GPS signale. O avtomobilu lahko povemo praktično vse.
This file was acquired, everybody knows this file, right? It was acquired in 2003 on Fiat Proving Ground in Balocco in Italy. Already at that time we were able to acquire synchronously analog data, digital data, canvas, GPS and video. We have together tonight our friends Cesare and Fabrizio from Italy, a part of the big, strong Italian team, and they were always really a great partner for development of software.
Naša programska oprema omogoča zajem informacij iz najpomembnejših senzorjev in omogoča tudi enostavno analizo. Tako pomagamo pri tem, da so avtomobili varnejši, varčnejši, okolju bolj prijazni in da imajo seveda tudi boljše vozne lastnosti.
In automotive applications, we can nowadays acquire the data from virtually any kind of sensor or bus system. This is a test made with the Kistler, Corsis and Genesis sensor on the Devetron instrument. We have the card that they are safer, more efficient, environmental friendly and of course more fun to drive.
Naša oprema pomaga pri razvoju avtomobilskih dodatkov za povečanje aktivne in pasivne varnosti v prometu, katere namen je zmanjševanje števila mrtvih prometnih nesrečah. Ob uporabi omenjene tehnologije v dveh vozilih lahko sledimo oddaljenosti med njima in s tem preprečimo trk. Na posnetku lahko vidite test aktivnega tempomata, ki poskrbi, da se hitrost vašega avtomobila prilagaja hitrosti avtomobila pred vami.
Herbert started to develop active safety systems together with the German sales team. The ACC development led to the polygon plugin, which is a good base for any kind of automotive tests. A very important area is also railway and rail car testing. Measurement of trains is very common application all over the world.
Še ena meritev nam bo blizu. Merjenje še dovoljene hitrosti vlaka na različnih slovenskih tirih. Opravljena je bila namreč med Mariborom in Pragerskim. Prav zanimalo nas je, kakšno hitrost bo vlak še lahko razvil, da bo varno na tirih. Pristali smo pri vratolovnih 160 km/h.
So the maximum speed for trains in Slovenia is now set to 160 kilometers per hour. Of course, measured with Devesov. By the way, it's an Italian train. But Louis from France actually is pushing us beyond our capabilities, always. And it's a common story to get a phone call late night. Yo, I phoned to you because I have an urgent request. But then, you know, these customers are also pushing their technology forward. And then, so how far are we from the French record? I think you said now the speed record of over 300 kilometers per hour, of course, also using Devesov.
Pri nas 160 km na uro, v Franciji pa preko 300. Seveda tudi tam merijo s programskim paketom Devesov. Mogoče je res čas, da posodobimo slovenske železnice.
We also do fun stuff. Let's start with roller coaster ride. Acceleration measurement is very important to see forces in human body that the people don't get sick.
Delamo tudi zabavne stvari. V zadju si lahko gledati vožnjo z vlakcem smrti.
And Devesov is used also, you won't believe it, in Hollywood. Grant made Devesov and himself a movie star in several shows of Mythbusters and bring the software and the hardware in front of millions of people watching the show all over the world.
Grant Smith, vodja prodaje v Ameriki, je Devesov pripeljal celo pred filmska platforma. Nastopil je v 2 oddajah Mythbusterjev. Pri prvi so merili, če ptice, ki letajo v tovornjaku, zmanjšajo težo tovornjaka, v drugi pa hitrost prostega pada.
The first show was measurement of weight of birds in the truck, and the second one was the free fall of the vehicle. They tested if the vehicle falling down is faster or slower than the vehicle accelerating from the same distance. I'm sure Grant had lots of fun doing these applications.